Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, I will explain material about advanced economic math about total derivatives by group 2. The members is 1. Aria Wiraja, 2. Hamidah. Okay, total derivatives. As we know that the concept of partial derivative is only used for functions with two or more independent variables. Among the independent variables contained in this function, it is assumed that they do not influence each other. And the concept of total derivative is used if the independent variables influence each other. This is because total derivatives allows changes in one independent variable while other independent variables can influence each other. Now, suppose there is a function with two independent variables, namely y is f x point w where x is g w. The function above states that the variable y is influenced by variables x and w, while the independent variable x is influenced by another independent variable w, so the independent variable w is a major source of change. To get the total derivative, we must first differentiate y as a whole, so the result is dy divided dw fx dx divided dw plus fw dw divided dw. Then dy divided dw is fx dx divided dw plus fw because dw divided dw is 1 or dy divided dw is 2y divided 2w multiplied dx divided dw plus 2y divided 2w. In conclusion, the total derivative measures the direct effect of the variable dw on y plus the indirect effect of w on y through x. Okay, example of total derivative. Known x is f x point y is 5x minus w squared, where x is gw is 3w squared plus w plus 7. Completion. The partial derivative of y with respect to x and y with respect to w or do y divided do x is fx is 5. Where this result is the derivative of 5x, and do y divided do w is fw is minus 2w. This result is derivative of w squared. The derivative x with respect to w is dx divided dw is 6w plus 1, where this result is derivative of 3 w squared plus w plus 7. So the total derivative is, this is the total derivative formula. So dy divided dw is 5 bracket 6w plus 1 bracket plus bracket minus 2w bracket is 3gw plus 5 minus 2w is 28w plus 5.
Okay, I will explain about the function with three independent variables. Example, we have function y equal f bracket u v w brackets, di mana u equal g brackets w bracket and v equal h brackets w. The function statement above the state. So from the function above, state that the variable y is influenced by u, v, and w, and the variable u influenced by w, and the variable v influenced by w too. So based on the third statement, look at the relationship between the four variables. We can see the channel map like that. So what the mean of the channel map? The mean of the channel map is independent w affect to y with three channel. The one is indirect torque function g, then function f. Number 2, indirect torque the function h 2 function f. So next, the last, directly torque the function f. You can see this one. Number 1 is function g to the function f. Next, so from the statement, the total derivative formula y and w is, you can see this one. So we can statement the formula is this one. Next about the function with four independent variables. If we have the function like y equal f u v w x, di mana u equal g w x and v equal h brackets w x. So the mean in this case, we have a total derivative. Total derivative derivative. Number 1 is total derivative y against to w, and number 2 derivative y against to the x. Why? Because the main source of influence is two variables y and x. So from this mean we can see the channel map. So why the so we can see the total derivative can be referred to as partial derivatives, because if we want to find the total derivative y which against to w where x is constant, or vice versa, the notation of the total derivative of the fraction is given by like this one or this. So next, so the formula to obtain both partial total derivative, we must to first use ordinary total derivative. We must first use ordinary total derivative, then change the sign of or notation from ordinary derivative to partial derivative on variable y and x, which are the main effect. So like this one, so x is constant, the x divided dy equals 0. So the result this one, and the formula is this one. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand about this material. Apologize if we are wrong with explain the material, and thank you.